Do you want to see it? Did our dating buddy work pretty good? Hi, I'm Brian, and I can build it and you can too, and today I'm going to show you how to build a job site table saw, cross-cut sled, and a job site table saw dado sled. Now I ripped the ends. Now I'm just going to cross-cut and get the bottom of the sleds out. I'm just cutting the runners on the bandsaw for the table saw sled 5/8 of an inch wide. I made my rails, I cut them to 5/8. I use hardwood oak. They're just a smidge too big, so I'm going to sand them to fit. I just sanded them so they run through smoothly, and now I just have to cut them and then glue up. I'm gluing the runners onto the piece of my plywood so you can push them through. I have 1/2" air staples in for raising up the runners. You could use coins, but I use staples. Now I'm just going to set the plywood on the runners. Square. Now you have to put heavy weight on the sled so it will hold it down. And I'm using the heavy chop saw. Now I'm gluing the back ends up. It is made of 1/2-inch plywood, and I put tape so I can sandwich the boards together. And I'm brushing for even coverage. I'm just clamping up the boards to make it strength. I put glue on all of them, and then now I'm just clamping them up. Now, after you pre-drill, it's time to countersink so the screw heads sink below the plywood. And then it's time to paste wax the runner so it slides easier through the table saw. It's time to attach the push bar. I'm putting just one screw now, and then I'm going to screw it up, and then I'm going to attach it. After it's screwed up, I'm going to put all the screws in, and I'm also countersinking it to make sure nothing catches. I'm just going to make my blade cut into the sled. I squared up the push bar to the blade with the framing square. Now I'm just going to attach it with the drill. It's time to make the completely last cut to the end, so if you're cutting wood, then it will be at the end. I just finished making my cross-cut sled, and I decided to make my dado sled. Use the same method. All you have to do is change out the blade. Thank you for watching me build these simple table saw sleds, and please subscribe for more videos to come to the channel and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.